Biography of Dottogemono. King Dottogemono was one of the greatest and most respected king in the history of Sri Lanka. He is remembered as a brave warrior, a wise ruler, and a devoted Buddhist. His life story is full of courage, determination, and patriotism. He played a very important role in uniting Sri Lanka and protecting Buddhists in the country. Dottogemono was born in 161 BC in the southern kingdom of Rohana. His father was King Vatisa and his mother was Queen Vihara Mahadevi. From a young age, Dottogemono showed signs of bravery and strong leadership. There is a famous story from his childhood. It is said that when he was young, he used to sleep with his hands and legs pulled close to his body. When his mother asked him why he slept like that, he replied that he had no space to stretch because the Tamil king Ilara ruled the northern part of the country. This story shows his early desire to unite the country. At that time, Sri Lanka was divided into different regions. King Ilara, the South Indian ruler, controlled Anuradhapura in the north. Although Ilara was known as a just ruler, Dottogemono wanted to bring whole island under one Sanlese king. After the death of his father, Dottogemono became the king of Rohana. He prepared a strong army to fight against Ilara and unite the country. Before fighting Ilara, Dottogemono had to face his own brother Sadhatisa due to disagreement. However, they later made peace and Sadhatisa supported him. Dottogemono gathered 10 giant warriors known as the 10 great warriors, Dasa Mahayudayo, who were famous for their strength and bravery. With their help, he fought many battles and slowly defeated the enemy forces. The most important battle of his life was against King Ilara. According to history, the two kings fought bravely on elephant. Dottogemono rode his famous elephant, Kandola. In the final battle, Dottogemono defeated and killed Ilara. Even though Ilara was his enemy, Dottogemono respected him. He ordered that Ilara be given a proper funeral with honor. This act showed Dottogemono kindness and respect for his opponent. After defeating Ilara in 101 BC, Dottogemono became the ruler of the whole country. He successfully united Sri Lanka under one flag. This victory was very important because it strengthened the Sanhalese kingdom and protected Buddhists. King Dottogemono was not only a great warrior but also a great builder and supporter of religion. He built many famous Buddhist temples and monuments. The most famous one is the Ramanolesya Stupa in Anuradhapura. It is one of the largest and most beautiful stupas in Sri Lanka. He also built the Mirisavatia Stupa and the Brazen Palace Lowa Mahapaya. These constructions show his deep faith in Buddhism and his desire to support the religion. It is said that after the war, Dottogemono felt sad about the many lives lost battle Buddhists. Monks supported him by saying that he had fought to protect Buddhists and unite the country. This showed that he was not cruel but had a kind heart. King Dottogemono ruled for about 24 years. During his rule, the country became peaceful and prosperous. He improved agriculture, strengthened the army, and developed the kingdom. He died in 77 BC. According to tradition, when he was dying, he was taken to see the Ramanolesya Stupa which was still under construction. He looked at it with pride and happiness before passing away. In conclusion, King Dottegemono is remembered as a national hero of Sri Lanka. He united the country, protected Buddhists, and built great monuments that still stand today. His bravery, leadership, and devotion make him one of the most important figures in Sri Lanka history. Even today, Sri Lanka people respect and honor his name.